and welcome back to 3G Video. Today we have day 3 of Gridlife Midwest Fest just outside of South Haven, Michigan. It's going to be an amazing day, but first we have some time and we're going to go to church because that is one of the most important things. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Come join me on the adventure of a lifetime as I find out sometimes we have to take a leap of faith so that God can get the glory on the other side. That's why I quit my 9-to-5 and decided to travel across the country living out of my Volvo wagon to pursue my passion for cars and to share the good news that Jesus died for you. Who knows what lies ahead? The cars we'll see, the people we'll meet, the adventures we'll have. But one thing we do know is you're watching 3G Video, and this is a month with endless possibilities. Got back from church. We are now back at the racetrack. Had a good sermon over strained relationships and how we can prevent that. So that's really cool. Just praise the Lord that we got to be able to spend that time in presence with Him and praising Him. Anyway, now we get to enjoy the racetrack. I'm so excited. Today's going to be a little bit different. I actually get to take a ride in one of the cars. We're going to get some footage outside of the car, inside of the car. It's going to be amazing. I'm super excited about it. And then we got some other stuff going on. And then also, we have a 4-hour trip in Benny. See if we can make it our next event. I'm sure we will, just depending how long it takes us. But today is going to be packed full of a lot of fun. Let's just see what happens, because today all the possibilities are on the table. Let's go have some fun. All right, say hi, guys.
Hello.
We are rolling 4 deep in, if not the fastest Honda Fits on the property.
It's currently the fastest.
Currently the fastest. So this is going to be pretty awesome.
Which still is like one of the slowest cars on the property, though.
It's fine. No, we make it sound better. Okay, you got a fastest Honda Fit on the property. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have a good time. Let's see what we can copy. We're getting. Okay, dude, you are crazy. That's awesome.
Why?
Whenever we were out riding. That was awesome, dude. You are an amazing driver. It was a good time. Staying right behind the drifters, that was insane.
That was a lot of fun. The taxi sessions are as much fun for the drivers as the fans, so yeah.
That's awesome.
We look forward to it.
That's awesome, man. I heard that was new last year, and then I hope that they keep that a thing forever, because that's awesome.
I think they will.
That thing's awesome.
It's strangely controlled chaos. The situation seems hectic, but everybody's on the lookout for each other, and I think that's what brings the eyes up almost.
It's such a cool time. It was such a pleasure to get to ride with you.
Well, thanks for coming out and checking out the event.
Yeah, man. We'll be out. We'll see you guys a couple more events, I think, this year. So
yeah,
it'll be good.
You coming to Mid-Ohio?
Yes, I am.
All right.
I'll be there.
Cool.
We'll be getting some shots for you. So we saw how much fun it looked, the taxi yesterday. Obviously, it was so much fun inside the car. Got to get behind a couple of drift cars. That was really exciting. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I'm excited with how this day is going. I mean, it's a little different. We're just kind of sitting back, having some fun, and we are going to go get a couple pictures for some of our boys here in a little bit. So we'll go figure out what they want, and then we are going to hit the road to start a next journey of our road trip pretty much across the nation. Rob Dom has taken his four-rotor out again. Today is the day that he gets a little more laps, so got to see him on the side of the fence. I'll show you that here real quick. Absolutely insane. That car is wild. It was breaking up a little bit, as you can probably hear on the audio. Not sure if you don't think he was super pleased with that, but still really cool to see it out and get to actually do some laps with some anger at it. So that's pretty cool. Mom and Dad are here, and they are getting ready to leave, and I will not be going with them. They're going back home, and I get to start my journey with the rest of the month. Not gonna lie, a little bit nervous, a lot of bit excited. So we're gonna have to get Benny ready, and that is what the rest of this video is gonna be about, is us getting to our next destination so that we can start Summit Midwest Drags. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a long week, but it's gonna be a lot of fun to be able to go out and see those guys and get to film a new event. I know a lot of people that are going to that event, so it will be good, and I hope you guys will enjoy that as well. And we're gonna say bye to Mom and Dad.
Bye.
Okay, let's hit the road and get some things fixed in Benny. Goodbye, Gridlife 2022. On to Summit Midwest Drags down in Cleves, Ohio. So as we showed in a couple videos back, we've been having issues with Benny and the breather system. We believe we've pushed past rings, at least that's what I think. I don't know. We're filling up the catch can right there. We're filling it up pretty quickly, and I can't have that whenever I'm trying to drive a long distance. So the plan right now is to add a second catch can and then still run it into the turbo because it's keeping the smoking down as we're cruising, which is really good, keeping it out of the cab. And then we'll be able to have a little bit longer life because we can fill both catch cans, and that means that we can drive longer before we need to stop and empty them. That means that we will be losing a decent amount of oil out of the engine, so I'm going to fill the engine over full, and then that way we have like a quart and a half, quart and 3/4 until we're down to the empty mark. That way we can lose some, and we can recirculate some of it. Some of it we'll just have to throw out. But yeah, that is the plan, and I will get working on it here in the O'Reilly's parking lot. So. Well guys, I have a Redneck engineered second catch can with my Powerade bottle. The inlet side is here, and then it should fill up. I'm hoping that it will fall out of this bottom portion of this hole before it gets sucked up into the turbo to save that from happening again, because I've been dealing with that. And hopefully with the double the capacity and all that, we can actually get some driving done and not have to stop so often. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to go like an hour and a half, I think, and then just check on it, empty them out, see where we're at, just to make sure. We need to get a bigger bottle, if we need to keep adding more oil, whatever. I'm just trying to find a solution so we can make this work. So we still have our smoke coming out over here. Let's see over here, what does it look like? Not too terribly much smoke. Is there a vacuum being pulled here? Not necessarily feeling a vacuum, just kind of seeing what's happening there. Hopefully that won't actually fill up, but I will check back with you guys when I find out. I gotta go stop and get gas, and we will hit the road in Old Benny for the second portion of this road trip in a month with endless possibilities. Just got out on the interstate, we cruising, and what is that I see up there? It's the Afro Speed guys, so we're gonna go get up beside them. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Okay, making a quick stop on the side of the road just to check the catch cams because they need to be checked. We are about, I went a little farther than I anticipated. I'm at like an hour and 45 minutes. I don't know, they might be full, but we are going to get up, check those real quick. So it's definitely added some range, but we got some serious drainage in here, and then that means that has to be full. So we're gonna get filled back up and hit the road again. Well guys, just made it to my stop, Planet Fitness, and I know I need to be working out, but no, I actually got a membership and I can use their showers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower because we are camping in Benny tonight. I'm gonna get a shower now, that way when we get to the track I don't have to worry about it or anything. I can just get ready to go to bed, get this video edited and go to bed. So I'm gonna go in, give myself a shower. Okay, well I'm all clean. I cleaned the windshield on Benny and the back window because windshield had a whole bunch of bugs, the back had no oil, but I think we are good to ride into the night, into a beautiful sunset, and get over to Cleves, Ohio. Should be a pretty simple trip the rest of the way. Just have one stop for gas, and we will be good. So. Well guys, I didn't make it to the next stop because things were going so smoothly with it, and we were going around 465 around Indianapolis, and I hit a bump, like a thing that's in the middle of the road. I straddled it, it clipped the V-band on the exhaust and knocked it straight off, which is quite unfortunate. So the back half of the exhaust dropped, was dragging the ground and everything. So I'm gonna jack it up and I'm gonna lift the exhaust back up, and then I got some gaff tape, which I know, I just said that and somebody was like, I know, but all the parts stores are closed around here, and I was gonna get the exhaust wrap stuff, but I'm gonna try some of this. I'm gonna consult somebody first, but I'm gonna try some of this, I think, and wrap it up and just pray that it gets us to the next place. I'm hoping that somebody has a welder there, and then we can get some of the exhaust wrap to seal any of the holes so we don't have fumes coming up. But yeah, so this is exciting. Okay, update. I am still in this parking lot. I found a buddy that has a 3-inch V-band clamp, and he's driving it up to me at like 10 o'clock at night. It's 10:30 right now. I have the best friends ever. They are awesome. He's bringing me a 3-inch V-band clamp and a spare. So we're going to do that. And I have another buddy that found this solution that we can try to put in the oil to see if it'll work. It's made by the same company that made the stuff that we put in where we had the head gasket fail, and it worked to get us through there too. So at this point, I might as well try it. If it helps at all, I'm going to be ecstatic. So, hey, you know, we pray and we trust that the Lord's going to take care of us. And I'm not saying that this is all going to work out perfect, but I know God's got a plan and He is going to take care of me. And it's so cool to see that just play out, even whenever we get into a point that it feels like nothing can ever work and that we can't get by, like never going to make this happen. And the Lord's just like, okay, I got you. You just persevere. Let's just overcome things one step at a time. Hey, buddy.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so as you saw, Brandon got here. We tried to put the V-band on. it's had some clearance issues with the cross member before. We're having trouble getting the V-band on because of it, so we're going to dent the pipe because we can, and we don't have a sledge, so
Giant
clearly
pipe wrench to the rescue.
best idea ever. Like how the exhaust hanger was just like, nope.
I think.
Is that sufficient?
I think so.
I get Brandon out here and then he just does all my work for me. 3/8. Okay, I'll get you one. I get to be helpful. That's an interesting. Okay, I actually decided to stop and get a quick fill up on gas. And Benny is getting 20 miles to the gallon. That's awesome. Had some other problems, but 20 miles to the gallon, I'm happy with that. As long as if we can keep that up for the rest of the trip, I'm going to be ecstatic. But yeah, anyway, let's get back on the road. I know it's getting kind of late. It's like 12:30. Hey guys, we actually made it all the way to the track. I'm exhausted. It has been a long night. Didn't know if we were going to make it. Benny gave us a little curveball there, but I have great friends and a God who's looking out for me. So, had a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I have a great video coming for you tomorrow. I'm super excited for the beginning of Midwest Drags, Summit Midwest Drags. That it's going to be pretty great. We're already here. I'll see you guys in the morning. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys next time.